Okay, good afternoon everyone. My name is CJ Lumibo and today we are going to discuss the instructions for the Robbie Roboy game. Okay, so we are going to read our instructions first. Create a Robbie Roboy game using coordinates X and Y that meets the following requirements. Okay, the menu of the program should look like this. Okay, so pagka-run ng program, lalabas yung ganito, Robbie Roboy game. Tapos choices, origin, move status, quit, enter your choice. Okay, so may mga choices tayo dyan. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito naman, when pressed 1, kapag pindot daw yung 1, which is ito, yung origin, Robbie Roboy's position should reset at X is equals to 0 and Y is equals to 0. So, ayan, magre-reset daw yung position niya into zeros. Next naman, when pressed 2, move, which is yung ito, a prompt should appear asking the user about where Robbie Roboy's origin should move. So, meron yung parang menu na lalabas and yung something like enter X, enter Y, ganon. Yun yung parang bagong position ni Robbie Roboy. And kung saan siya magmo-move. So, for example, nilagay ko X is equals to 5, Y is equals to 5. Okay. So, yun. Mapupunta na siya doon. Tapos, yung 3 naman, ay ito, yung number 4. When press 3, which is ito, which is yung status, this key shows Robbie Roboy's position. So, yung example ko kanina, di ba, X is equals to 5, Y is equals to 5. Ngayon, kapag pinindot daw natin yung 3, lalabas daw yung position ni Robbie Roboy. Papakita raw niya. Okay, so let's have an example with this program, with this game. Okay, so right now, we have our menu here, just like yung sa instructions. So, kapag pinindot ko yung 1, okay, so Robbie Roboy is at origin 0. Ibig sabihin niya, nag-reset siya. Tapos, umudit lang yung choice natin dito. Okay, so kapag pinindot ko yung 2, enter X. Ayan, sabi niya, enter X. Let's say, ilipat ko yung X coordinate niya is 8 and yung Y coordinate niya is 10. Okay, so yan, naka-move na siya. So, may panibago ulit tayo dito. So, kapag pindot naman natin yung 3, sabihin niya dyan, Robbie Roboy is at 8 and 10. Okay, so kapag i-move naman natin siya, move. Ayan, enter X. Lalagay ko siya 2, Y2. Okay, and then let's press our status 10 and 12. Okay, so nadagdagan lang yung ano niya, yung coordinates niya. Okay? So kanina 8, so nadagdagan ng ano ba nilagay natin dito? 2, tapos 10, 2. Ayan. So nasa ano na siya ngayon? Nasa 10 and 12. Coordinates 10 and 12. Okay, so let's say we are going back with the position, with this position. Babalik tayo dito. 8 and 10. So, babalik tayo dyan. Paano tayo babalik dyan? So, ano ba yung babalikan natin sa X? Diba? 8. So, 10 minus, kukunin natin yung value. So, 10 minus 2 is 8, diba? So, let's move there. So, negative 2. And then, we are just going back to 10. So, right now, we are at position 12. So, babalik tayo sa 10. So, babawasan lang natin ng 2 yung sa Y. And let's press our status. Ayan, bumalik siya doon sa recent na ano niya, position. Okay? So, that's it for our instructions for the exam. Okay? Should there be any questions, paki-PM na lang sa akin. So, when press 4, of course, the program will exit. Okay guys, thank you for watching. And I hope you have a great day on doing this exam.